Introduction to Biomedical Science. Introduction to the module. This module covers biomedical science and its many sections. The difference between biomedical science and biotechnology, along with the differences and definitions of other parts of biomedical science, are discussed too. Topics to be covered. Definition of biomedical science. Biotechnology. Difference between biomedical science and biotechnology. Anatomy. Physiology. Pathology. Microbiology and cell biology. Toxicology and pharmacology. Virology, bacteriology and immunology. Biochemistry and molecular biology. Genetics. Bioinformatics. Summary. Biomedical science. Biomedical science combines the fields of biology and chemistry to focus on the health of living beings. It focuses on how cells, organs, and systems function in organisms, a dynamic area that is highly relevant to the understanding and treatment of diseases. The discipline is very wide-ranging, and there are three general areas. 1. Life sciences. 2. Physiological sciences. 3. Bioengineering. The life sciences comprise the fields of science that involve the scientific study of living organisms, such as microorganisms, plants, animals, and human beings, as well as related considerations like bioethics. Physiology is the branch of biology relating to the function of organs and organ systems, and how they work within the body to respond to challenges. It covers life from the single cell, where it overlaps with biochemistry and molecular biology, through questions about how individual organs work. Bioengineering refers to the application of engineering knowledge to the fields of medicine and biology. A bioengineer must be well grounded in biology and have engineering knowledge that is broad, drawing upon electrical, chemical, mechanical, and other engineering disciplines. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is technology based on biology. It harnesses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that help improve our lives and the health of our planet. In the early years, the main achievement of biotechnology was the ability to produce naturally occurring therapeutic molecules in larger quantities than could be derived from conventional sources such as plasma, animal organs, and human cadavers. Today, biotechnology researchers seek to discover the root molecular causes of disease and to intervene precisely at that level. Types of biotechnology. Medical biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology. Environmental biotechnology. Difference between biomedical science and biotechnology. There are several differences between biomedical science and biotechnology. Some are given below. Biotechnology is a broader subject than biomedical science, whereas biotechnology can be used for many non-medical applications, example, agriculture, energy production, food production, drug manufacturing. Biomedical science looks at what, why, and or how something happens. Biotechnology looks at so what. What can we do? How can we make something? Biomedical science is basic research and its applications are useful in many branches of science like biotechnology, microbiology, pharmacy, etc., and is more of academic value. Biotechnology involves manufacturing of products from microorganisms using different scientific processes. Examples include fermentation, gene cloning, genetically modified plants and animals to produce particular protein or enzymes. Anatomy. The word anatomy is derived from the Greek word anatome, meaning to cut up. It is the study of structures that make up the body and how those structures relate to each other. The study of anatomy includes many subspecialties. These are gross anatomy, systemic anatomy, and regional anatomy. Gross anatomy studies body structure without a microscope. Systemic anatomy studies functional relationships of organs within a system, whereas regional anatomy studies body parts regionally. Level of structural organization of the body. The human body has different levels of structural organization, starting with atom molecules and compounds and increasing in size and complexity to cells, tissues, organs, and the systems that make up the complete organism. The most common elements in living organisms are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Cell, the smallest independent unit of life, is the cell. All life depends on the many chemical activities of cells. Some of the basic functions of a cell are growth, metabolism, irritability, and reproduction. Tissue is made up of many similar cells that perform a specific function. The various tissues of the body are divided into 4 groups. These are epithelial, connective, nervous, and muscle tissue. Epithelial tissue, found in the outer layer of skin, lining of organs, blood and lymph vessels and body cavities. Connective tissue, connects and supports most parts of the body. They constitute most of the skin, bone and tendons. Muscle tissue, produces movement through its ability to contract. This constitutes skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. Nerve tissue, found in the brain, spinal cord and nerves. It responds to various types of stimuli and transmits nerve impulses. Physiology. The word physiology is derived from the Greek word for nature and origin. It is the study of how the body and its parts work or function. Physiology is the science of life. It is the branch of biology that aims to understand the mechanisms of living things, from the basis of cell function at the ionic and molecular level to the integrated behavior of the whole body and the influence of the external environment. Research in physiology helps us to understand how the body works in a healthy state and how it responds and adapts to the challenges of everyday life. It also helps us to determine what goes wrong in disease. Pathology. Pathology is the study of disease, especially of the structural abnormalities produced by disease. The word pathology comes from the Greek words pathos, meaning suffering, and logia, the study of. Depending upon the species studied, there are various disciplines of pathology such as human pathology, animal pathology, plant pathology, veterinary pathology, poultry, etc. Comparative pathology deals with the study of diseases in animals in comparison with those found in man. Human pathology is the largest branch of pathology. It is conventionally divided into general pathology dealing with general principles of disease and systemic pathology that includes the study of diseases pertaining to the specific organs and body systems.